Hey, I'm Alessandra and I'm a ballerina with the Charlotte Ballet. I will be dancing the role of the mermaid in The Little Mermaid. Today, I'm at Alchemy, the workshop, where I will be receiving the full mermaid treatment. So let's get started.
Today we are going to give Miss Alessandra a Blue Lagoon inspired eye makeup, and we're also going to do a scale applique with some fishnet tights that you might have at home. And we're going to put some darker blue scales in there with some glitter.
And to finish off Alessandra's look today, we're going to stick with a nice nude color palette for her lips. Hey guys, I'm Taylor and I'm here to finish off Alessandra's mermaid look with a simple braided hairstyle. We're going to split it into 3 sections and apply a different braid to each one, starting with a traditional 3-strand, moving into a rope braid and finishing off with a fishtail. Then we'll combine them all to one side at the end for that perfect mermaid finish.
It's been a really fun day here at Alchemy the workshop. They've spoiled me with awesome hair and beautiful makeup. If you'd like to mermaid yourself, join us at the Night Theater on March 17th.